Yes, the other two major credit bureaus, Equifax and TransUnion, also offer similar services to Experian Boost. Here are some examples of services offered by Equifax and TransUnion that are similar to Experian Boost. Equifax Income and Employment Verifier allows you to add your income and employment information to your Equifax credit report, potentially boosting your credit score. Equifax Utility and Telecommunications Payment History allows you to add positive payment history for utility and telecommunications bills to your Equifax credit report. TransUnion eCreditable Lift allows you to add positive payment history for non-credit accounts, such as rent, utilities, and insurance to your TransUnion credit report. TransUnion Credit Vision Link allows you to add information about your rent, utility, and telecommunications payments to your TransUnion credit report. It's important to note that each credit bureau may have different eligibility requirements and criteria for these services, and they may not be available to everyone. It's also important to consider the potential fees associated with these services and evaluate whether they are the right fit for your specific credit situation.